Hello students, and welcome to Fiber Arts today. Today I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet, and we're going to make this kind of scarf bookmark. So yeah, it's super tiny, but it gives us the opportunity to practice getting really straight sides and switching colors, all right, as well as making a fringe, and then you get to go home with a little bookmark. Okay, so we begin with a slip knot, all right, and so what I do is cross like this and then through, and you can do it however you want. Today I'm using a 4mm hook with worsted weight yarn. You can use whatever side you want or whatever size you want. I recommend going on the smaller side, so 4.0, 4.5, those are going to be your best bets. So I'm going to take my slip knot, I'm going to chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we're going to do a stitch called half double crochet. Okay. Yarn over, and we're going to go to the third chain from the hook. So this is the first chain right here. This is the second chain. This is the third chain. And I'm going to just put it in here, put the hook here, yarn over, pull through. At this point, it's basically the same as single crochet, except you started with one extra loop. All right, yarn over, and I'm going to pull all 3 through. Okay, that was our first half double crochet. Now let's go into the next one. Yarn over, and I'm going to look. So we just put it in here. Let's go to the next one. Make sure that I've got 2 strands above. Okay, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through all 4. Okay, yarn over, not here, gonna put it in here. Yarn over, pull all 3. And finally, yarn over in here, pull through, and all 3. And that's my first row. That is 4 half double crochets. And we're going to continue doing half double crochets, 4 of them, all the way up until we're done. Now we're going to do 1, 2, okay, and then turn the work just like that. All right, yarn over, and we're going to go into the first stitch. This is the stitch we just did. We're going to go into this space right here, and if you're not sure if you put it in the right place, there should be 2 loops above it. Yarn over, pull through, we've got 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through those 3. So that was 1, we're going to do 3 more. Yarn over, push it through, yep, there's a V there, yarn over, all 3, yarn over, into the stitch, pull another loop through, yarn over, all 3. Now this is the tricky one, okay? So you're going to do yarn over, and you're going to put it in here, but you've got to make sure that you're getting 2 loops, that you're going under 2 loops. So basically you're going to just look for that second one. You see right here? That's kind of what you're looking for. So pull through, and that was 4. If you're ever like, oh no, did I do enough? Here's how you count. Look at it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did 4 stitches total. All right, and this is my work so far. I'm going to chain 2, turn, yarn over, go in here, again just half double crocheting. Oop, I lost a fiber there. 2, 3, and then that tricky one right here. So it's got to be in here. Chain 2. Just pulling the yarn so that I've got a little extra. 3, 4. And what I would do, at least when you're starting out as a novice crocheter, is always count how many stitches you're doing across. All right, okay. Let's try to add another color here, and I will show you how to do that. Sorry, had to go get more yarn. Let's do purple. Let's try using purple. All right. Let's do one more row. Chain 2, turn, 1, 2, 3. Now here's where it gets tricky. Yarn over. Put it through here. Pull up another loop. All right, and then we stop just for a moment. I'm going to cut the yarn just so that I've got like this much left, a couple inches. I'm going to come in with my new yarn and just pretend like it's the old one and just pull through. And that's how you switch colors in crochet, like that. Now I'm going to just pretend like it's the old one. Chain 2, turn the work, and keep going. Now, you don't have to use exactly these colors. You don't have to even change colors if you don't want to. You can make the stripes thinner or thicker. The more stripes you have, the more work it's going to be at the end. I'm personally okay with that because I just think it looks cool. I'm going to keep going. So again, I've been doing 4. How many rows did I start with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want to do 5 rows of this. I just did 2. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm going to switch colors again. So I'm going to cut. I'm actually going to undo this stitch right here because I forgot that I had to switch colors. Alright, so we're going to pretend that we got all the way down and made a full scarf. Let me zoom out a little bit. Alright, so we're just pretending here. This is how you fasten off.
Yeah, go ahead. For world history, where do we go to for the get off their super?
I don't know, I'm sorry.
Oh wait, does it say that I have coverage?
No.
It's because we're just wondering, like, where do we go?
Yeah, because we don't know which teachers are off right now for B. I mean for C.
I'm off for C, but I don't know.